Getting people to click on your video and actually watch it are two different things. Many people don't realize it, that there's two parts to actually going viral. For them to click on your video, you need a catchy headline that appeals to a wide audience, piques their curiosity, and promises a result of some sort that they actually want. Once they click, they have expectations. They want to make sure that whatever you promise them in the headline is exactly what they're gonna get, or better, in the actual video. So the best way to start your video is to give them the exact formula or the answer that they were looking for. That creates trust. And once they know that you're trustworthy, they're willing to give you a chance to actually watch the video and see, can you actually provide them the value that you promised? Now, here's the important part, and that's what's going to keep them coming back. Make sure that you provide a step-by-step within your video, provide extra value, and then make sure that they can walk away from watching your video to accomplish something, like a minimal viable outcome. So they feel like they've achieved something, no matter how small it is, from just watching your video. For example, if you give them an idea on how to create a business, write a book, create an outline in 5 minutes, start a side hustle, whatever that can be. To keep them engaged throughout the video and keep your watch time consistent, you gotta incorporate loops in the middle of your video so it engages them back into it. For example, if you're promising them a certain result, well, in the middle of the video, list some of the mistakes that most people in your industry are making. Then go back to providing the tips on how to actually do it right. Okay, now that we're ready, go film some content.